Welcome. This channel is about the process, discipline, and consistency, not hype. The goal today isn't to make money, it's to execute my plan. One stock, one time frame, one trade only if my setup appears. I keep my trading simple on purpose to fit my personality and my lifestyle. By eliminating noise, I don't believe is necessary to succeed in the market. This is for education purpose only. Okay, the stop just hit at 12:42. I was in this trade for 3 hours and a half. Let's recap. So this is the most annoying, frustrating, painful day trading so far this year. This is the worst thing that could happen. This is the worst thing for me in trading. So the red line is the high of some previous day back then. Open here. So since it held above here, it was chopping under above, but it held here, forming this wedge flag here above the high. Broke here. My entry was here. For some reason, didn't trigger and went without me. So this was my trade. But then it gave me another pattern, bullish, because it held this red line also. It's the high of some previous day back then. So since it held here and broke this pattern here, bullish, I enter here, and guess what? I almost went to my target, 20 cents away from my target, only 20 cents. And then it came all the way back. So it broke this pattern here as well. If I had to enter here, I would enter here, which is funny, is the same area, be the same area here. Failed to follow through, and I think also broke this, and it just failed to break through. But I'm very upset because this was my trade. And this should be a winner, not a loss. And this is very, very upsetting for me. So it's very stressful. And this is the worst part for me in trading, because I don't know what the fuck happened. It's out of my control. I know that, but I think that's why it bothers me the most, because it's nothing I can do. When it's my fault, it's something I done wrong, so I can fix it. I can't fix this. This was something that happened. So it's kind of those things that happen in trading that you can't control, but it's really hard to deal with. And you just blame yourself, because now I'm saying I shouldn't take another trade. I shouldn't done that because this is a loss now. But I took the trade because it met my criteria. So that's it for today. So that was the trade. I took the trade, the second trade, because it met my criteria, managed risk correctly, and exit where my plan set to exit. The market just didn't follow through. It broke so many areas, but it just didn't follow through, and I accept that without fighting it, because what can you do? Today wasn't about being right, it was about being consistent. It's really hard because, like I said, when things like that happens, you just doubt yourself, you doubt your strategy, and you just basically want to disappear. I had to go outside of my house and I scream and then come back so I could just continue to take the next trade. This is exactly what happened. Literally walked outside my house and screamed. I'll review this later and show up tomorrow with the same rules. And always process over profits and discipline over dopamine. Thanks for watching.